In this video, we will be discussing the future of the construction industry with regards to technology within the industry or the construction environment. Drones, augmented reality, virtual reality, 3D printing, BIM, building information model, that is, are some of the new technologies that are shaping the new construction landscape. These technologies will facilitate great improvements by mitigating risk and uncertainty, reduce rework and waste within the construction field or the industry. These improvements will enhance the overall attractiveness of construction projects for investors by cutting down risk and increase predictability, which will also increase the flow of cash. The use of the technology within the construction industry or the construction environment will not only reduce risk and increase cash or capital, but they will also increase the quality. They will also increase and safety, mean improves safety. They will also increase work output, reduced rework, and allows a project manager to meet his or her timeline and lower labor cost. So what is virtual reality? Virtual reality is a computer simulated environment that allows you to interact in a realistic and a physical way within the environment. So how does this technology help within the construction industry or the construction environment? An example of this technology in the construction industry or the construction environment is interacting with 3D modeling, which will allows you to manipulate and model to test the effect of changes before making them in the real world. So that's one example of the use of the technology used within the construction environment, and that's virtual reality, as its name suggests, virtual reality. Well, Autodesk is one software company that you could find such software or such technology. So you can find this technology on Autodesk. So how can a drone be used in the construction industry? Well, a drone can be used to collect surveillance data, as well as it can be used to monitor the installation of certain infrastructure within the construction industry. For example, let's say a utility company or a mobile company is installing some utility poles or power lines or towers. An engineer can use a drone to manipulate or monitor the installation process or the installation stage, so the engineer can know where and how the work is being carried out. Well, my views on the use of technologies like these and other gadgets within the construction industry are: one, it will help to reduce time spent in the construction field. Two, it will help to make work easier. Three, it will reduce cost. And four, it will improve an efficiency. Five, it will reduce rework, and it will reduce some amount of errors. Well, I believe if these technologies are used more in the construction industry, project managers, engineers, and surveyors will be able to monitor their work better. They will be able to gather data or even more data. For example, a surveyor out there in the field surveying a plot of land can use his drone to see the terrain of that plot. The surveyor will also be able to capture live footage of that terrain, and engineers and project managers using technologies within the construction industry. For example, as previously mentioned, if you are going to put out or install power line, a project manager monitoring that project or even a road work can use a drone to supervise or monitor his or her personnel on the ground doing the labor. Well, I believe that we need to see more technology like these used in the construction industry.